Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to change out the Samsung Dishwasher access panel. It's going to be a very easy repair and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new access panel. The access panel covers up the components at the bottom of the dishwasher. The main reason you'd be changing it out is if it's lost or damaged. The access panel is located down in the front of the machine. We're going to use the 1/4-inch nut driver to take out the screws and hold it on. Once you have the screws out, we can reach in and pull the access panel off. Here's the old access panel next to the new one. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. To put the new access panel in, you just have to line it up and lift it into place. Once you have it in, we can use the 1/4-inch nut driver to put in the screws. Once you have the screws in, we can plug the dishwasher back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.